interstate ghost, diesel smoke, California rain on a midnight windshield, and one old Zippo. Life's gonna leave some scars, but fire keeps a man alive. And he flicked that lighter with a crooked smile, like old truckers do after 1,000 miles. And every time that fire burned, it felt like he came home. Daddy Zippo. Still lights the dark, still smells like diesel fuel and no bar smoke. Daddy Zippo. Cold steel in my hand, like holding on to the ghost of a broken man. And every lonely flame I see still burns a hole right through me. One July night he took me on the road, northbound 80 with a heavy load. Moonlight dancing on the chrome outside, Johnny Cash low on the radio dial. Truck stop coffee around 3 a.m. He laughed and said, boy, don't grow up like them. Pointing at gamblers drunk and lost, chasing dreams that already cost. And somewhere past the state line rain, he pulled that rag beside the lane, said, listen close, if I ain't around someday, that Zippo means I never really went away. But I was too young to understand how fast life slips through your hands. Daddy Zippo. Still lights the dark, still tastes like heartbreaking in old trailer park. Daddy Zippo. One silver and gold keeps burning warm while the whole world's cold. And every flame that cracks alive feels like that survived. Phone rang hard around 10:30. Mama collapsed before they spoke again. Rain came down on the kitchen door. I knew somehow before they said more. Jackknife trailer, interstate rain. No survivors found in the wreckage lane. Just one burnt photo near the driver's seat, and tire tracks fading into the street. I didn't cry, not right away. Just sat there holding that Zippo for days. money. Some inherit ghosts. Me, I inherited fire.